Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this particular video we are going to discuss a very trending question right now in the market of SQL development, database development, data engineering, data analyst kind of job interviews. Okay, so the question is like, find the missing number from the given list or find the missing date from the given list. Okay, so in this particular question the interviewer will provide you a list of numbers like this, where some of the numbers are missing and he or she will tell you to find out the missing number in this particular list. Or they can provide you a available date kind of thing, where they will provide some date range like from 1st January to 6th January we have provided, and find out the missing date between this. Okay, so this is a very trending question right now, and in each interview you might get this particular question. Okay, so now move on to SQL Server and check how it is going to be solved. Now here we have already created tables related to this data. So you can see here we have the missing date table, where we have the same data that we have displayed on the screen. So here 3rd January is missing and 1st to 6th is the range of the date. Okay, and now also go to the missing number section. So here you can see we have created the same table. So here we have some of the numbers missing like 3, 5, 8 and all. Okay, now we need to find out the missing number. How we can find out? So basically in this particular thing, what will be your approach? So you can imagine like we have some means list where the numbers are not available. So what we can do, we can create a number with complete list and then compare with that with this, and then we will get the solution. So this is the very simple approach. Okay, and for this particular solution we will use recursive CTs. That will be a very easy and very good approach to solve this particular question. So how we will do? First of all, we will create one recursive CT that is going to print from 1 to 10, and then compare the output of that particular CT with this particular result set. Okay, now move on and create the CT for the missing number. First of all, we will resolve this missing number and then we will move on to the missing dates. Now create a CT, and this CT will be a recursive CT. And if you don't know much more about the recursive CTs and CTs, then we have already put videos on CTs, detailed videos on them, that you can refer from our channel. Or also if you need more clarity on that, then let us know in the comment section. We will provide you much more details on that. Okay, now create the CT for this. So we will start with CT as. Now we need to we need to print 1 to 100 and then compare it from the result set of this table. Now select 1 as number. Then in recursive CT we must use union all always, because union all only it will accept. Okay, union all, and then we have select number. New m is missing. Number equals to number plus 1. And from where we are going to take it? We are going to take it from the CT. So that is why it is called the self-referencing CT or recursive CT, because it is going to repeat your result set also, and it is also going to reference itself. So from CT, where number should be less than 10, because here we are doing number plus 1, so it will already add 9 plus 1, then it will be 10. So number should be less than 10. Now check the output of this particular CT. So select star from CT. So now what it is going to do? So it is going to print number from 1 to 10, and this is also one of the question that will come in the interviews, like print a number from 1 to 10. So this particular approach you can use. Now I am scrolling a little bit up so that you can see the query. Now we have a full list of number from 1 to 10. Now what we are going to do? We are going to compare this particular result set of this table missing number with this CT. For that, either you can use subquery approach or you can use the except operator. So except operator, what it will do? It will provide you the numbers which are not available in the left table. So left table, here we are referring the down table. Okay, so now you can copy this and then select like accept accept, and this is for SQL Server. Okay, accept this. Now what we have here, so in this select star from missing numbers, we already have checked, like we have the missing numbers, and in this CT we have the complete set of numbers. Now when you execute this, so it will going to provide you those numbers which are available in CTs but not in the missing number table. So you here you can see the output 358 are the missing numbers, and this is the solution that you are going to provide to the interviewer. Now let's move on to the missing dates part. Okay, so here you can see, like third is the missing date. So here also we are going to use the same approach of recursive CTE and make a list of all the dates between 1 to 6 and then compare it with the missing date table. Okay, so now create the CTE with CTE as, now select this first, we will take as the date. So this, first of all we need to cast this to date, data type, cast this as date, and we will give an alias as dt or date, you can dte you can give. Okay, now put a union all here, union all, then select dte equals to, what we will do, we will use date add function. Okay, date add, and now here we will add day comma 1, so it will add 1 day with dte, and this particular thing we will do a recursion till it will reaches the date, and this particular thing we will take from where, from this CTE itself. That is why it is called the self-referencing CTE. From CTE where DTE should be, where DTE should be less than the last date or end date, which is 6th January in our case. Okay, now copy this. Oh, copy this and remove the brackets from here, like remove this one and also this one, and then close the bracket for CTE. Now check the output of select CTE, select star from CTE. Now what it is going to print, it is going to print the dates between 1st of January to 6th of January. Okay, now execute this. So here we have a complete list where we have the third also, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to compare this particular output with this missing date table output. Okay, now use the accept operator here, or in this case we can use subquery approach. Okay, so that you will be familiar with that also. So now select star from CTE where DTE, where date DTE not in, not in, and then this will come under our subquery, select star from this missing date table. Okay, now execute this. So what this is going to provide, this is going to provide us the missing date, which is 3rd and 5th. Okay, so this is clear to everyone, and this is the query that you are going to provide to our interviewer. So for many such kind of interview questions and all, please like and subscribe to our videos and be with us. And on our channel you will get full tutorials on SQL also, with SQL Server interview questions and answer related to major companies like Infosys, Accenture and all. So these things also you will find out. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Goodbye.